franchising in India has been growing at the rate of 35% and has led to the consumer products as well as service to grow almost by 110%. Franchisee as an industry has about 40,000 franchises with 600 franchisees with a total investment of about 5,000 crores. I've been told that India is the world's second largest franchising market, growing annually at a rate of about 25 to 30%. If you look at the change scenario in our country, we see that the youth have made change happen. The earlier emphasis was on the getting into the government sector for getting into a job as soon as his education is over. That has changed from private sector and now to self-employment. Government of India has in the 12th five-year plan increased the allocation to 8,000 crores, which is an increase of about 70% over the 11th five-year plan. So you can well imagine the kind of importance that the Government of India has been giving to this MSME sector. MSME sector in India has been the backbone of the Indian economy. The prime advantage of MSMEs is that it's a low capital cost and the high employment generation potential which it has got. For the last 5 years, MSME has been growing at more than 10% annually, which is higher than the other sectors of the economy. The sector has shown significant rise in productivity, with investments and employment rates rising in the few years. The sector at present employs about 8 crore people across the country, with about 3.6 crore MSME units, and contributes about 9% towards the GDP. The banks have been asked to start specialized MSME branches, at least one per each district. And in line with the directions, banks have already started about 2,023 branches across the country in various districts. Also, the banks have been asked not to insist on collateral security for loans less than 10 lakhs. And for loans beyond 10 lakhs, the government has set up the Credit Guarantee Trust Scheme, under which the banks will be reimbursed their loans in case there is a default from the MSME unit. So all these have had an impact on the overall MSME sector. In addition to this, the ministry has started the Prime Minister's Employment Guarantee Program, in which every district 100 new enterprises are going to be set up, which means to say 100 new entrepreneurs have the opportunity to start their own units. In addition to this, in the Khadi and village sector, we are planning to invest about 750 crores through loan from the Asian Development Bank to start up 300 Khadi industries and for their rejuvenation and reformation. Under the cluster development scheme of the government, we have provided for infrastructure upgradation in the various clusters. We are in the process of identifying these clusters and take up infrastructure development for ensuring that the clusters are vibrant and become self-reliant.